Hi guys, just thought I'd jump on and do a quick video on this car that I've got in. So I've got in a Porsche Turbo, 911 Turbo. So I'll just flip the camera around and show you around it. So yeah, I've got this Porsche in and it's in for a 2-stage minimum polish and ceramic coating. As you can see, the paint is horrendous. We get light as well. See all the swirls. For being a convertible as well, it's covered in bird muck and all sorts of the roof needs a good deep clean and re-protected. But the paint is just smiles, so got to polish up everything and get it all coated up. But the interior isn't too bad. It will give you an area clean for the customer as well. But yeah, so this is the next few days job. I'll keep you posted on how it goes. So guys, the car's now inside, washed, deconned. As you can see, it's rather damaged. I've cleaned the roof, but I've then put some plastic on it just to stop any polish residue getting on there for now. But yeah, I've just done a 50-50 test panel, and as you can see, it's crazy different. So I think the car's going to come up absolutely stunning. That's just a 2-stage correction on that first bit. I think a lot of this marking here is from where the customers had a cover on it, to be honest. I think that's what's rubbed it all down, because if you look on all of the leading edges there, around here, it's all quite scratched. And then there is a bit on this side which I believe the cover has actually worn through the paint, which is rather annoying. But yeah, you can see it again there where it's rubbed. That's what the trouble with covers, as you can see there as well. They rub where the wind blows them, and that causes this marring on all the leading edges. I've seen it on many cars. A lot of the Lamborghinis have issues with it around the top corners and stuff. So yeah, if I can get it all to look like that and then get it coated, we'll on to a winner. So I'll do a bit more and then show you a bit. So guys, the car's now 2-stage polished, panel prepped with some IPA ready to put on ceramic coating. I've also just coated the roof, so that's now curing. So that's got a fabric protector on it, so that should seal it up and should all bead up afterwards. But as you can see, the car's looking hell of a lot better than it was. Then I just need to panel prep and coat the wheels and then do the interior. So the body will have some Surpass Platinum, which is a 5-year guaranteed coating. This is accredited detailers only. Then there'll be a 12-month Surpass wheel coating, and I'll also be putting some Surpass glass coating, which is also another 12 months. However, on windscreens and stuff, it doesn't tend to last that long. And then some tyre shine and stuff, and be ready to go back to the customer. So I hope you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry I've not picked the camera up too much, but as you can imagine, it's been a bit of a task getting this one done. But I'll show you some more once it's coated. So guys, car's now fully coated. Wheels, glass, everything's coated. Interior is also done. Roof's coated. Looking absolutely gorgeous. It's got the wait for the customer to come and fetch it now. But, can't show you too much because we've got plates on it at the minute and I'm got the cover plates on. But yeah, it's I'll insert some photos of it shortly. But yeah, it looks absolutely out of this world compared to what it did when it came in.